Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today we are going to control our light by using Alexa, configured with Synric website. Let's see the working principle. Alexa, turn on light. Alexa, turn off light. Alexa, turn on light. Alexa, turn off light. This video is sponsored by Thomson Electronics. They are the best dealers in commercial supplies of electronic components in India, with high quality products and a wide variety of category to choose from. To make this home automation project using Alexa, we will need a Node MCU module, 5-volt relay, Amazon Alexa, a small breadboard with 170 points to connect the wiring, LEDs, wires from the digital pin 2 and the digital pin 4 of the Node MCU module. Place a LED in a breadboard with common ground. Attach the digital pin 2 and 4 of the Node MCU module to the positive pins of the LED. Then connect the ground potential of the Node MCU module to the ground pin of the LED display to complete the wiring. Go to synric.com, log in with your account or register for a new one. This is the interface of the Synric account. Click on Add. Type in the device name which you are going to control, then with a short description. Here I am naming it as room fan. Then select the switch from the type of device and click on Save. Copy the device ID of the devices which you have created and also the API ID. Open the Arduino code. Then scroll down to find My API key, SSID and password. Paste the API key from the Synric website and also paste the device ID of both the devices which we have created. Then go to Tools, select the board and the COM port. Once it's done, click on Upload. Open the Amazon Alexa app, tap on Devices and select the bell icon. Then click on Add Device. Select the Switch app and click on Other. Then Amazon Alexa would discover our device. Here we can see the applet which we have made in our Synric app. Tap on the applet to see if it is working. Let's test with Alexa. Alexa, turn on light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off fan.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light.
Okay.
Refer the schematics before wiring, so it would be more easier. This is the overall circuit I have completed and connected a light bulb. Since I am using the 5-volt relay to trigger the light with the Node MCU module, and the Node MCU module can't handle the 5-volt, since it's working only on 3-volt. To trigger the relay, I am using Arduino, which triggers the relay and it activates the bulb. This is the overall circuit. Alexa, turn on light. Alexa, turn off light. Alexa, turn on light. Alexa, turn off light. You can see it's very simple to turn on and off the light and also the home appliances with Alexa. It's a handy feature and a fun project for beginners. to enter the field of IoT. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.